Guys, I'm fixing to take you on a video walking tour of the Casino Royale here on the Allure of the Seas. Now this is a smoking and a non-smoking part, but they also have a separate non-smoking only casino that I'll take you through too. Now like I say, this is the 4th day. Shouldn't be many people in here, but at the end of the video I'll try to get some clips of what it looks like crowded, and then I'll throw them in for you. So hey, let's turn around and get started. Like we got some poker. Y'all that like to play the pigs and the chicken, there they are. Yeah, let me show you. This is for my buddy Jackie, who taught me how to play Texas Hold'em. They have 2 Texas Hold'em tables here, but it looks like they went digital, which I guess that's okay. Digital poker table's better than no poker table. Like they got roulette here. Walk on through. Looks like they got a few table games here. Looks like they got the 3-card poker. Here's Let It Ride. I'm gonna swing back so you can see the machines. There's Ultimate Texas Hold'em. And there's roulette. Let's walk around and see what these other 2 tables are, then we'll check out the rest of it. Blackjack. And single deck blackjack. This must be the high limit room, $500 minimum, $20,000 maximum. If you got the money to be a $20,000 player, I want to be your friend. There's a blackjack table, a little lower limit, $100 minimum, maximum $2,000. Again, guys, the Texas Hold'em tables, there's two here, digital. Jackie, it's better than nothing. It's actually a pretty good size casino, and actually we haven't had any trouble playing, you know. It's not always crowded. You know, some ships you get on as crowded as can be, but not this one. Well, let's head over to the non-smoking casino. It's smaller, but we'll go over and check it out. Here's the non-smoking casino. Like I said, there's nobody probably in here because it's a port day, but I'll try to get some shots with some people in here. It's small, but hey, it's non-smoking. For you guys that don't want to be around any smoke at all, this might be where you want to come. But they've got some line link games, and I'll just do a circle around. They got some table games in here too we'll check out. There's the Buffaloes. They seem to be real popular. Make a circle around. Looks like they got a blackjack table right here. Ultimate Texas Hold'em. Right over there on the other side. I won't walk around there, but it's a roulette table. Make one last little circle through here and that'll wrap us up. Yeah, there's the old pigs with the hats and the coin trio game. I used to play that coin trio game. It used to be good, but for some reason I couldn't hit nothing on it anymore. I don't know what's wrong with it. All right, that's pretty much what the little non-smoking casino looks like, so we're gonna head out.
Just $20. Where's Bob? Yeah. Right there. All right.
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that little video walking tour of the casinos here on the Allure of the Seas. Hey, if you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other cruise videos on the end screen coming up. Till next time, happy cruising.